You see how dirty this is? Watch this. Hey guys and gals, Sweet Project Cars here with cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfers. We are so excited to let you know that we made it here to Pensacola. We feel all of you great subscribers should know what we're doing and how we're doing it. But we have really great video coming up this weekend that you do not want to miss. We're going to be doing a lot of videos down here, and the cool part of it is I get to wear sandals, and the other part is we get to wash vehicles out in the rain, because there's no better way to wash your vehicle than in the rain. Our slick tricks at the end of the videos are going to be awesome. You're going to love those. Today, I want to ask you, we need your help. We are looking to start a detailing business down here in Pensacola and a possible car dealership with it, dealing in Sweet Project cars, that kind of thing. Stop right now, go to the comments area, and give us what name we should name our new detailing shop. We'll let everybody know the winner and what name we pick. So be creative. So go do that right now and come back. All right, glad to have you all back. But what we're going to share with you today, come on up here, Carmela. We had to get this trailer in order to get some of our stuff down here. You see how clean this is? This has made a 1,000-mile journey, and it's beautiful, okay? The product we're going to share with you this weekend, and you do not want to miss it, is how we kept this side so beautiful because we only did one side of it. We're going to go around to the other side and show you why that product works so good. So let's go over there. All right, now you take a look at this right here. You see how dirty this is? Watch this. It's embedded right, it's almost stained the paint on this trailer. It's that bad. Not good. We're going to share with you this weekend. Again, do not miss that video when it comes out. It's going to be a mind blower to help you, keep care of your stuff, to take care of your stuff. That's why we're here doing these videos, to share with you how to take care of your stuff. So we'll see you this weekend.